What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dave Mo Flips, T-Mus 100%. Today's video, I want to get into how I was able to get auction access for less than $1,000 and how now you can get auction access for less than, I want to say, $700, all right? As you know, Florida just got through this hurricane, and Tampa wasn't really touched that bad. We had some wind, some people lost some shingles, some downed trees. Nothing in comparison to South Florida or Orlando. My heart goes out to them, and really and truly, anything you guys can do to help them out any way you can, it's always appreciated. Not by me, but just by everybody. We're all in the human race. You know what I mean? We got to take care of each other with what we can. Not saying go broke doing it, but just, you know, if there's something you could do, donate your time, money, food, whatever. With that being said, let's get into the video. You guys already know what it is. You guys know I've been a dealer rep for a long time. So what's a dealer rep? A dealer rep is basically someone who uses someone else's license. The term renting is not actually allowed. It's not legal, if you will, okay? So you could find dealerships in your area, especially now, with the way everything is going and a lot of dealers are going out of business, repos are up, cash cars aren't selling, etc., etc., etc. Why you'd want to be a car dealer at this time? Well, why wouldn't you want to be a car dealer at this time? Seriously, with everything that's going bad right now, it's like the real estate market. You know, in 08, when it crashed, you think how people weren't buying houses? People are still going to buy cars. You still need to get around. Will it be as great as it was 2 years ago, or when they were giving that stimulus money? Probably not. Will it come back? Absolutely. But that's why you want to save as much money as you possibly can and look into becoming a rep, at least for the foreseeable future. So what it does is basically it allows you, there's a whole bunch of upsides and downsides to it, but that's for another video. In a nutshell, you find a dealer that wants to rent you their license, and you take that license and you're able to go to dealer only auctions and buy and sell cars using that license, okay? It's pretty straightforward. If you watch any of my past videos, I break it down numerous different ways, and I kind of have, you know, different days when I experience different things, my ups and my downs doing it. But overall, right now, with the way things are going, for me, it's definitely the way to go. You know, it's without a doubt the easiest thing in the world. How would you find a dealership that would let you use their license? One of the easiest ways that I found is go to like the buy here, pay here guys. Usually buy here, pay here's are going to be open to making money by any means necessary. Go in there and say, hey, listen, just shoot them straight, man. Listen, I'm interested in getting some auction access. You know, can we work out a deal where if I go to the auction, I buy a car, I'll pay you per car, or I want to buy a bunch of cars and sell them on your lot. Can I pay you a monthly fee? Then you start talking about the dealer tag. If they don't let you have a dealer tag, start an LLC where you are able to get a transporter tag. Every state is going to be different as to what criteria you need to meet to get a transporter tag. But like even here in the state of Florida, I was told that if you were a detailer, you could potentially get a transporter tag. So with that being said, those are the things you want to look out for. And when you're talking to these dealers, you know, if you've watched my videos and you know the lingo and stuff like that, it's better, in my opinion, to come in like you don't know. You understand what I'm saying? Like, because if you come in and you act like you know too much, dealers could maybe look at it like you're working for the state, maybe, and trying to get them jammed up. If you do like a internet search, you'll find a bunch of online places that will let you use, get you auction access for various states, meaning you might be in Florida using a dealer's license in Texas, right? I want you to stay away from those. They're never good ideas. Now, there is one out there, and I don't know if they're still in business. They were in business a few years ago. And what their thing is they pay for all the marketing behind it, and they'll hook up with guys like myself and say, hey, I'll throw you every single rep in Tampa Bay and we're going to charge $350 a month, but out of that $350, we want $100 off top. So you're still going to get $250. We'll get $100 per person every time they pay. Now, if you can find an individual like that can hook you up with a dealership in your area, that's the only way I would say that it's a good idea to use someone from the internet. Other than that, guys, you got to put the time in, you got to put the work in. Get out there, find the dealers, and I mean, I don't care if you're going door to door, just dealership to dealership, asking. One thing I want to say too is don't talk to the middlemen. Don't talk to the guys who are there. Talk to the owner. Who's the owner? Look it up. You know, here in Florida, we go to sunbiz.org. You put in the license and you can see who owns it. You want to talk to that person. Write them a letter. Email them. Pretty much every, ours does not, of course. Every dealership has a website pretty much, right? 90% of them. Go on there. And on the very bottom, you'll see where it says contact us, and they'll probably have an email. Shoot them an email. When they say no, or if they say yes, whatever they say, if they say yes, great, go in, have your meeting, sit down. If they say no, still go in and act like you never received the email, right? Where they denied you. Stay away from, in my opinion, stay away from the big, beautiful dealerships, right? I'm not even talking about franchise dealerships. Don't try to go to a franchise dealership. That's just stupid. But if you have like, what's a big one? Off lease, right? If you go to off lease, chances are off lease isn't going to say, oh yeah, let's do that. Because it's not like a one-to-one type of situation. That's like a franchise dealership, but not a big boy dealership. They're like CarMax, right? CarMax is a franchise dealership, but they specialize in used cars. Same thing with off lease. Funny story about off lease, but we'll get to that another day. Their names, I mean, genius, whoever came up with that name. And anyways, that company, man. So you just want to find out, you know, mom and pop spots, go in there. And when you get the opportunity, don't be a scumbag. Learn the rules, do it the right way, and make some money. That is exactly how I was able to get auction access for less than $1,000. Currently, I am signed up with Manheim, ADESA, ACV. We don't use Copart anymore, and we don't use IAI anymore, although we are going to get IAI back. We just chose not to use them. We use Backlots, we use Dex, Auto Sales. We basically, Your Auction, and there's a bunch of other smaller ones in the area that we do use. So that's a major thing there. And that's it. If you guys are interested and you're in the Tampa Bay area, or at least in the state of Florida, and you want to know more, well, if you're interested at all, let me know. Email me and I'll break it down for you. I did just sign up. Excuse me. I did just sign up a subscriber's brother, Ace, if you're watching, huge shout out to you, man. Congratulations on your first car sale. Hopefully, you know, you get back out there, you buy another one and redo it. That's the name of the game. You sell one, buy two, or, you know, that's my game. At any rate, this isn't a sales pitch at all. Like I have no desire to do anything other than help. So if you are interested, let me know. I've spoken to people all over the country at this point now, and I enjoy it. Email me. I'll hit you back. I'll give you my phone number, and we'll chop it up over the phone. And, you know, I can help you whatever you need to do. Now, what we charge here in Florida, you know, the subscriber said that he was talking to his homeboys back in, I want to say it was Michigan. And his homeboys were like, oh man, that's robbery. You know, like those guys are robbing you. We're super expensive. And that might be. So the numbers that I give you, understand that in your area, it might be less. But like in Cali, if you could get auction access in Cali for $300, $400 a month, you're golden. You know what I mean? Because there's a lot of restrictions in Cali versus Florida. Now, if I was in Oklahoma is a joke. Like, that's not even saying anything negative, but it's a joke to get a dealership out there. You could use your house and get a dealership, right? You could get a wholesale license out of your home. So, and if you don't believe me, look at this dude's channel, AAR, Randy over there. What the hell is his name? Auto Auction Rebuilds. I want to say one of his houses that he rents is actually the dealership. Now, granted, that's for wholesale only, but nonetheless, excuse me, nonetheless, what could you possibly charge in a state that basically says, hey, you could use your house for your license? What could you charge someone in that state? You know what I mean? Not much. Now, in California, where it's hard as hell to get a license, you could probably charge a lot more. Here in the state of Florida, it's not necessarily the most difficult to get a license, but it is expensive, right? I said if you watched my past video, you know, even to get a warehouse out here anymore, you're looking probably at about $1,500. I just looked at a decent sized one last week, and I was looking at $1,350, and I could only put about 10 cars in there. That's 10 cars, not counting the lift, because you always want a lift, right? So if I took one spot and I put a lift in there, now I'm down to 8. I said one spot. A lift has to be wider. You also need a spot for the mechanic's tools, the compressor, etc., etc. So I need to separate a corner with the lift and then have 2 parking spots dedicated to the mechanic fixing cars. Then I have to, you know, I want to curtain it off, if you will. So if I'm doing business in the office and they're buying a car, they're not seeing another car get torn down. Besides the point, people. The point of the video was that's how I was able to get auction access for less than $1,000 a month. And right now is a perfect time to get it this way because there's so many dealers going out of business. So many dealers are trying to hold on to what they had, okay? It's just what it is. And there's another video going to come out for you dealers that are watching. There's another video that I'm going to have coming out of how to get started with reps. You know, some of the upsides, and there's definitely a lot of bad sides. You risk a lot. But listen to me. If you can get a couple good guys, a couple good people on your team, if you were able to get 10 people on your team that were good for 5 cars, right? At 200 a car is $1,000 times that by 5, that's $5,000. Not to mention their monthly, you're making money hand over fist. But if you're a dealer waiting for that video, it's gonna drop. It's gonna drop for you, and I'll break it down. So if you're looking to get auction access, you want to get into the game, that's how you do it, guys. Simply go door to door, find the dealers that'll let you do it, tell them that you're interested in it, and I'm telling you, it'll be one of the best moves you've ever done. All right, it's your boy. I'm out. Hit that subscribe button and get down with the team, all right? Out of here.
That's my best friend. That's my best friend.